Hi everyone! Today I'm going to do a tutorial for the Golden Girl cocktail on our last menu if you had the chance to try it before all this craziness started. It's super bright and refreshing. It's been so warm that I've been craving this drink because of the weather. It has turmeric and ginger and orange juice in it, so you can even feel like you're giving yourself a little immunity boost by drinking this and being healthy.
Alright everyone, so to begin we are going to make a turmeric ginger simple syrup. If you would like a little bit more practice making simple syrups, need a little bit more in-depth explanation, there is another video on our Instagram live page, go check that out.
Okay, so after our simple syrup is all done and cooled down, we are going to build our drink. I have batched orange juice and lime juice just because I'm doing cocktails and messing around with things. You don't need to prep that much unless you want to, you're kind of planning on this being your happy hour drink for the week, go ahead and do that. I use cuties because those are my favorite oranges. Okay, so first things first, we are going to want to stir the ginger turmeric syrup. I made this last night and left it in my fridge and all the turmeric settled at the bottom. So you want to make sure you mix it just so you get all the flavor and it's not going to be just primarily ginger. Okay, now for the drink, we are going to start building it. You're going to grab vodka or summer gin. You're going to pour 1.5 ounces of that. And you always want to make sure that you are building in your smaller glass or your pint glass. Your bigger tin is for ice. Alrighty, next we are going to do the turmeric ginger. You're going to do 1 ounce of that. And then you're going to do 1 ounce of whatever milk you choose. Our original recipe has coconut milk. I just happen to have this oat milk, coconut milk creamer. The coconut milk is nice because it's gonna give it that tropical flavor. However, like I said, if you have regular cream, almond milk, cashew milk, go for it. We're in quarantine, so we're not being too picky. Next, you're going to get a 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Like so, like that. Next, we're going to get our orange juice and we're going to do a 1/4 ounce. So if you didn't prep out your juices like me, what you're going to want to do is more or less make a measurement of a squeeze. That way you have an idea of how much, say like half of a lemon is, or I'm sorry, half of a lime is in order to squeeze into your drink. You can eyeball it if you want, let us know how it comes out, but you're gonna wanna have more lime juice than you do orange juice. Okay, now we're gonna shake this bad boy up, revive, we're gonna pour it on over. Alrighty, nice and good to go. Pop that lid off. Choose any chalice of your choice. Just gonna pour that in until it gets to about the top. I have some dehydrated limes. You can just cut a lime slice, a orange slice, whatever you like to make it look fancy. Just make sure you make it look fancy. That's the most important step.
All right, everyone, and that is the Golden Girl. Make sure you are tagging us, #showusvourblock. We hope you like this recipe. Stay safe, stay healthy.